Hi guys, in this video we are going to look at rational exponents in expressions, and the way to do it is to first rewrite bases in terms of prime numbers if they are already not in prime numbers. For example, we've got 16 here, which needs to be converted to a prime base, and the next step is to simply apply the laws of exponents. So let's do this example. 16 with a prime base is 2 to the power of 4, and we put the exponent outside the bracket. And remember how we do a power raised to a power? You take the two exponents and you multiply them. So this is 2 to the power of 4 times 3 over 4 is going to leave you with 2 to the power of 3, which is equal to 8. Simple and straightforward. Let's look at the next one. Sometimes you'll notice that factorization is needed. In that case, you use the K method. And for example, if you had something like let x to the power of maybe 1 over 3 equal k, then when you see x to the power of 2 over 3, that will be equal to k squared. Okay, or for example, you might have x to the power of 1 over 3 equals k, then x to the power of 1. How did we get from 1 over 3 to 1? We times it by 1 over 3 times 1 over 3. That's going to give you x to the power of 3 over 3, which is equal to 1. And that's the same as saying x to the power of 1 over 3 cubed. And that's going to be k cubed. Okay, let's have a look at a worked example. Here we have one. We've got x to the power of 3 over 5 plus 1 all over x to the power of 2 over 5 minus x to the power of 1 over 5 plus 1. So if you look at this, the lowest one is 1 over 5. So we're going to say 1 over 5 will be equal to k, which means 2 over 5 will be 1 over 5 times 1 over 5, or 1 over 5 squared, which is the same as k squared. And 3 over 5 would be 1 over 5 cubed, which is the same as k cubed. Right, let's go back to the problem. We are first going to say let x to the power of 1 over 5 equal k. That means that x to the power of 3 over 5 is k cubed plus 1 all over, and x to the power of 2 over 5 would be k squared minus k plus 1. Okay, now this looks simple. Now you notice in the numerator we have a sum of 2 cubes. To factorize that, you find the cube root of the first term, which is k. The sign stays the same. The cube root of the second term, 1, is 1. Then you use this bracket to form your second bracket. You square the first term, which is k squared. Multiply the first and second terms and change the sign. So it's minus k times 1 is k, plus the third term is always positive. And you square the second term, which is 1 squared. That will give you 1. All over k squared minus k plus 1. Now, I'm not going to try to factorize the denominator because I can see that it's exactly the same as the second factor in my numerator, which means I can cancel that with that, and that will bring us to k plus 1. Remember, k was just used as a crutch, so in our final answer we go back to x to the power of 1 over 5 plus 1, and that is your solution. Keep practicing, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.